Hey there, Snack Fiends, Yetti here, and everybody's ready because they're excited that I found a $30 lottery ticket, a scratch off. I was out buying a drink and I looked down because I don't usually buy the lottery because I know that the probability of getting rich is 0. But I'm like, that's got to be a mistake. There's no way there's a $30 scratcher, but she assured me, no, there actually is a $30 scratcher. So apparently instead of money, I'd rather have this. And I opened a Kinder Joy, that way when I lose, I'll at least get something out of this video today. All right, and everybody's, I'm gonna move you down here and we're going to, so this is very simple. Match any of your numbers to any of the winning numbers, win price shown for that number. Get 2, 3, 5, 10, 20, and you'll, so let's go.
59, 34, 6. Okay, I'm pretty impressed that they're able to have 3-letter combos of advanced numbers. Look at 64, 54. I've never seen that before. Very clever. 56, 9. Is there more? Oh, there is 4. And 11. I love that. Look at that. I did not know there were 3-letter combos for, now I do. Learn something. At least I learned something. All right, first number. 44, not on there. Second number, 36, not on there. 66, 67. 57, nope. 53. Can you see that okay there? 53, nope. 32, nope. 43, nope. 35, nope. 16, nope. 38, nope. 65, nope. 22, nope. 40, nope. 1, nope. 13, that's not looking good, guys. I might have just been out $30, but hey, at least I get a video out of it. 49, 39, 62, 48, 25.
Okay, well, that shows you that, yeah, I don't see any winnings here. So, wow, $60 or $30 right down the toilet. But luckily, I got my Kinder Joy here. That's the chocolate, that's the spoon, and this is my toy. Uh-oh, I might not be able to put this together. It looks complicated. Okay, so we need the blue attached to the
Have. That's not right. Am I already screwing this up? Yes, I am. See? Oh, okay. There we go. And then the front.
Oh, it's a little baby. Okay. It is that's a complex one. Holy cow. It took me a second here. Where's the other piece? There it is.
All right. Whoops. So, I didn't see this piece over there. This is the mama bird. And then she gets her little wings. And then she takes her little wings. And she holds them over the baby bird. Trying to do this at this angle, so we'll just put you right there.
There we go. Aw, isn't that cute? So I got another pet. All right, Snack Fiends, don't play the lottery. Yetti out.